How you guys doing? We're back again, working on the Honda Shadow, and it's about 1,000,000 degrees today here in Ohio. We've entered the dog days of summer, so I'd like to get out on the road and ride my bike and enjoy cooling off. What we're doing here is getting the tire off the bike. As I told you in my previous video, that this is pretty bald. As you can see, there's literally like no tread. I don't know if you can make that out or not. And I have tons of dry rot, cracks, because I have no room in my garage. My garage is pretty full of crap. I got my dirt bike, my four-wheeler, got like 100 toolboxes in here, parts washer, and anyway. Yeah, breaking it down. We in Ohio, we get stuck in a lot of weather, and let me turn my light on. We get stuck in a lot of weather riding, and you can see there's rust. So that rust is causing the tire to seed to the rim, and this is unfortunately the only way that I can break the rim loose from the tire, or vice versa. And what I did was I took the tire, I stuck it in a vise. I use a board. You could use a 2x4. I'm using a 1x5, 6, whatever. And the jaws of the vise, like so, just like a tire shop would. And when I get it tightened down, I still had a problem. So what I did was I took my pry bar here. I got a neat little one I found on the side of the road. It must have been a truck driver's. But anyway, I stick it in here and I'll give it a little turn. So what I was doing, as you can see, try to do this one hand. You bet you guys hear that all the time on this channel. And I give it a little turn. And that seemed to be giving it just enough room, jamming down in there, to where I can just break it loose. And it's working all the way around. Once you get it broke loose, it starts to go pretty easy. And on this side, I didn't do it, but I should have lubed it a little bit with some, like, maybe some WD-40, but I wasn't sure if that would ruin my tube. I know you guys say replace the tube too, but guys, here in Ohio, we don't get to ride too much. And this is one bike I probably ride, honestly, maybe once a week. And the tube that's in it is brand new from last season. So what I'm going to do is just inspect it. And if it does look like it needs to be replaced, I will be replacing it. But I didn't want to take that chance of ruining it with the oil. So I will probably try some dish soap. And that seems to work. Oh. Yeah, this is where seems like it worked pretty good. But anyway, yeah, I think it was time to change that tire out. You guys are probably like, yeah, dumbass. Yeah, look at those cracks there. I don't know if you can or not. I'm using technology of the mobile devices here. The old cell phone, the old iPhone. But anyway, there it is. Hope this guys, guys, I really hope this helps some. And, if it does, comment on it. Let me know. I'll cut back on the swearing. My wife got on me about that a little bit in my last video. So here it is. Take it or leave it. Thank you and have a nice day.